Hey guys, in this short tutorial I would like to show you CHIBIZ 3D Chibi models, our 3D pack. To get up-to-date information about the pack all the time, go to 3d.design Chibi 3D model, or go to 3d.design and you will find this CHIBIZ and then you can go there. It can update in the future, it can have more poses, it can have animations, it can have outfits. It really depends on what you would need. So definitely reach out to me if you need something more at Samuel at 3d.design or in Discord, and then we can discuss with other people and see if there is a demand for that. I would like to briefly show you how you can squeeze this pack. If you are new to Blender and you just downloaded the Blender, definitely check our frequently asked questions. In Blender, there are questions like how to navigate in Blender, how to change the color of the object, how to change the color of the skin, and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is how easily you can find it and change it. For example, it can happen that the render is black, or how to make clay render in 30 seconds, or I will talk about inverse and forward kinematics in this tutorial, and here is the explanation if you are interested. Okay, let's jump to the Blender. Now I'm in the Blender 4.1, so it should work nicely with the Blender 4 Plus. If you want to customize, let's jump to the rig, because this is pretty simple. If you want to customize, because you see there are so many controllers there, it's pretty complex rig, and thanks to that you can make many cool things. For example, you can stretch. If I go to pose mode, this is how I change it. You can stretch it, you can move it ahead, and a lot of fun stuff. So this is how it's working. If you want to make it a little bit digestible and easier to look at and work with, definitely go to Item, Rig Layers. You can easily turn off the parts. See here? So you can just turn on and off the parts you want to see or you don't want to see, and now you can easily just move with the bones. You see here are F key and I key. Here you can change it in the properties. You can play with it. If you want to change the outfit, which is basically the basic use case, is that you need to go and click in the pose mode on this bone. This basically will give you these properties here, and here just clicking clothes you can change it. What can happen though is that if I go here in the timeline, here's the timeline, I can easily just drag and drop and find different poses I want to, right? I would just want to show you, and the reason why it's colored like this is because here on top you can change the viewport shading. So let's just change it like the colors, and here you will see the lights. If it looks like this, just turn on the studio kits and it will work nicely. Let's jump here because it's faster. If for some reason it's it's a little bit slow for you to work with Blender, definitely go to here in the render properties and here in simplify. It will change a little the model, which is basically making turning off some modifiers, which is not important, but it's easier to work with. It's faster because it can happen that something is clipping. You see, here is the clipping or the skinning. You don't want to see that. Here we have the masking. So you just need to turn on the mask. Maybe you need to turn on the hand a little, so it will work up, so it will fit nicely with the. So here you would need to play a little bit with the controller, so it will work nicely with this model, right? Also you have the sleeve controllers, so you can just customize it. Here they are. So you see you have the sleeves here, so you can customize it easily. Yeah, this is handy. That can help. So this is basically how you can change the pose here in the timeline. Then you can hit the render image and you will get the PNG file, and you can just render it. Here with all these controllers you can change, make it like as you want. It's pretty simple to do. Takes a little bit time and practice at the beginning, but then it's pretty smooth process. So we spoke about how to change the clothes. Let's take a look how to change the colors, because there are two ways how to change the colors. One is basically if the object is not using the. So here I'm just in material properties inside, and I can just change it. It's super simple. Let's have it black, right? If I want to change, for example, you want to put the company logo or whatever you want to, you need to go here. I went to material properties. You need to go to find the texture. Here are baseball hat. Let's click on this unpack item and it will be unpacked here in this file where I have like CHIBIZ Blender files. It's a texture. If I open it in Blender, I can easily just change, image here. Let's have S, let's like second. Let's just save it. And now if I change, voila, this is how I have it. You would need to also change like also the metallic head, because like it's a texture which showing like this B here. So you definitely need to go and change it also. This one. But yeah, this is like basically how you can change it. If you want to change the color scheme, you would need to do the same. So the body metallic, but here is the body base color. This is what you want. Again, I just unpack the item. Let's go to the Photoshop. Let's open, use saturation, and let's just change it to the dark. I will just save it again as JPEG. Here, I will find it. I use the hat, like the baseball hat. Okay, so this is how it's working. It's pretty simple. Now, if you want again and change the outfits or whatever you want to, you need to click on this one. And here are the clothes, and here are the hairs. You see, masking is not like here. I have the hairs and it's working nicely here. Yeah, so this is it. These are the basic things you can do and like customize pack and squeeze it a little bit more. I edit also other tutorials. If you want to go and learn more about the animation, check out our YouTube channel and you will find some animation tutorials which you can just use for this pack and have the fun with 3D World. And you can combine the packs together. You can just take birds or icons or vehicles and you can put this character inside the vehicle. It's pretty cool to do. And you can experiment. That was it. If you want to learn more about Chibi 3D character, go to 3D.design Chibi 3D models. If you want to ask anything or you want to tell me like your feedback or what should be improved or what is good for you, hey, and always comment in the comment section. Please give us subscribe, like, and you know what to do. And see you in our Discord server. Have a great day and see you next one. Bye.